There's so much to think about when you're traveling. Remembering your passport, keeping liquids to 3 ounces, smiling happily through the TSA pat-down. The last thing you want to do is worry about someone stealing your identity. Believe it or not, before you even leave the airport, your identity can be compromised. And with how much personal information we store on these pocket-sized supercomputers, thieves are finding ways to hijack your data right behind your back. Here are 3 tips to keep your identity from flying away. First, avoid public Wi-Fi whenever possible, and surf using your cellular smartphone connection. You see, the free Wi-Fi networks at cafes, in hotel lobbies, and even at the airport are famously insecure because they are rarely encrypted, meaning they are unprotected, making it easy for you to connect and easy for hackers to eavesdrop. Your cellular data connection is encrypted, so pay for a little more data when you travel and use that to surf on the road. You know those USB charging stations you see at the airport? Don't go near them. USB technology isn't just a means of charging mobile devices. It was designed to suck your data back and forth between devices. Crafty hackers have figured out a way to preload the USB port with malware that drains away all of your data. It's especially frustrating when you get the "your battery is below 20% and will go to sleep" message right in the middle of something important. And then we panic, desperate for just a little juice, and plug our devices into the nearest rectangular object around. Before you know it, your phone contracts a serious infection and starts gossiping about you with the nearest cyber criminal. This hacking method is called juice jacking, and it's similar to ATM skimming. All it takes is for you to plug a USB cord from your smartphone into one of these ports to transfer all of your private information, including passwords and banking information stored on that phone. If you need to charge your device, plug it into a power outlet or directly into your laptop, which you then plug into a wall. Outlets are your friend, USBs your foe. Tip number 3, use at least 6-digit passwords to lock your phone. 4 digits are pretty easy to hack nowadays, which you know if you've ever been in one of my audiences. Smartphone passwords are the easiest and most important protection device for your phone, other than never letting it out of your sight. It's just as important as having locks on your home. This week's 1-minute mission has 3 parts. Stop using free Wi-Fi hotspots and surf on your cellular connection instead. Pack a wall charger for each device that you carry. If it doesn't have 2 plugs, 3 if you're going to Britain, and doesn't plug into a power outlet, don't do it. And finally, go put a 6-digit passcode on your phone right now. Go ahead, I'll wait. Take these steps before you leave for the airport and leave the stress behind. For Sileo on Security, travel safely.